Hello, everyone. Good morning. I'm Stefan, and today we'll be live trading. We'll be doing some plans on what I'm expecting from Bitcoin today and tomorrow. Actually, we have some really nice uh, setups forming, to be putting it like that. The market structure is really good, and we are out of that high volatility, unexpected volatility brought by the news. So I think we'll have some uh, really high probability and really nice setups upcoming. We'll be taking them one by one. I'll be doing the plans on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yeah, let's uh, let's jump up. Hey, good morning, CG, Katalin, Ricky. Hello, everyone. Hey, BJ. 1 second to retweet and post the link because it's helping a lot with the awareness and get everyone on board. All right. One minute. There you go. So, thank you very much. Have a sense scalp short here. No, I don't want to scalp short here. This is not a good location for a scalp short. It's yeah, let's start actually. And I'm on 1 hour. I'm very interested on like scalping level. Um, what I see that it can happen if the price is actually finding a preliminary support in this area. I might be looking for a long here, a 3-5 minutes long here. Sorry, I sneezed. With the potential take profit here at daily open. Let me check where 61.8 is. Yeah, somewhere around here. You see this area. So this one or this one, I would be looking to TP. So basically, how I would see the price action right now, it's actually let's check 4 hours too because I want to see how nice the price is bouncing. Yeah, we have 3 candles on 4 hours. So actually we have 12 hours of bouncing here. 1 hour we find some preliminary support at the HMA on 1 hour, and you can see actually it's reacting pretty nice, not bad. Um, then if we go 5 minutes, definitely we have a W actually here, but no, I would prefer a swing failure. That would give us a higher probability trade. This is my 2 cents. And then we can target definitely. We have to be careful here at the previous 4 hour high because we can have a ABC correction here, and actually it does an AB equal CD into the Monday low. I don't know if it makes sense. If you follow me from a long time, then you will understand what I'm speaking about. Actually, it's A, B, C, and you have the AB equals CD here. So I would be looking forward on that one. Depends on how bullish or bearish the price action is. That's the thing. Um, good morning. Good morning. 59 people. Man, that's nice. Smash that like button. Let's find some setups and let's make some money because that's why we are here. Yeah. So smash it up if you haven't and let's trade. So the first scalp, I'll be looking for this one here at the previous 4-hour low. Then I'll actually be careful here at the previous 4-hour high because we have a key horizontal level, as we can observe this area at 87,000. We can actually reject and continue lower. Let's see from a potential channel perspective. Yep, this channel is pretty well respected. This is the impulsive low which created a new high. We have the break of structure here, the continuation. And actually you can see the swing low which created a new high has been displaced. So we have a bearish market structure shift. And that would imply that we can short actually 87,000. So 87,000 would be the first area for a short. It's actually the swing failure of this 15 minutes pivot high, Asia high. And definitely I will be looking for, let's put the plan here first. Let's get out this one. So short trigger 3-5 min, deviation below POY. All right. Yeah, what's this writing? Too big, too ugly, too bold. There we go, perfect. All right, this is good. Let's put an alarm here. So I will be shorting this area. Yeah, actually falls even with this one falls all right, and if it pushes a little bit higher, yeah, we get the golden pocket. And this one will be the previous 4-hour low. Same stuff. Long trigger, 3-5 min above. This is the attack plan, all right? Nice. And definitely, I would not take out of the account a swing failure of Monday high. And actually, I saw some really nice plans posted by the students of Capo. I saw Seb and Tommy posting some nice plans. Let me get to Seb chart actually. So he's looking for a 4-hour long from 85,000, and then he's aiming for 84,000. Let's check it out. So yeah, this is a lower time frame what I have here, what I created here. This, and we have some more liquidity here at 89,500, level by level. These are not limit orders, so don't fuck around losing money. I want to see reactions. I want to see some absorption forming, checking then the open interest, and I want to see some data first before taking action. All right, so don't F it up. All right, guys, you can spam the chat. Actually, if you're spamming the chat and just chat talking among you, it will help with the algorithm. Let me make a little coffee, and then we can get to the higher time frame. So we spoke about the 5 minutes potential scalps that I might take. Let's make a double espresso so I can get my brain functioning. And I just observed that I don't have my comments on. I need to put my comments and the YouTube on my little Mac. So I can be up to date on what you guys are mentioning and saying. All right. Up. All right. Then 60 people watching. Hopefully, guys, you smash that like button, but I'm doubting because 50 people watching and 24 likes. All right. This is the Monday low here, this pivot low. So we need to long this one. Actually, this one can mark the bottom of the move and we can continue higher. And as you can observe, actually, Monday low is exactly at a key pivot S&R. It's a key horizontal level. Let's go on 1 hour. Maybe you can see it better. And we can observe here we had support, support, resistance, resistance. You get a point. So it's a key horizontal level, which we might want to take in consideration. The next key pivot level, I would be looking at this one on a high time frame, and then I would be taking more confluences. We have one here, one here, one here. So I would be speaking about this area at 90.9, 91.1. Well, actually, it's my fourth coffee for the day. Usually I drink 2 to 4 coffees. And it's depending a lot if shit hits the fan, but definitely it's a probability. But I can see at some point all this liquidity being swept. There is a probability. I don't know when or what's the probability of that, but there is a high probability of price sweeping that low. Furthermore, if we are looking at 4 hours, actually, if we are not displacing with a big candle, so we need a really big ass candle, something like this one here on Bitcoin. And let me show you why. Because if we are not displacing that this resistance here, um, and I should do the plans 1 second. I should create this is the low time frame scalp plan. All right, get your ass here. There we go. So the idea is that if we don't break with high volume this trend line resistance, there is a probability that we are just having some sort of ascending wedge here. We should look at the volume definitely to if it's decreasing. Yeah, and the volume is decreasing indeed. But what I like is actually I saw on daily, we have a pretty nice volume candle here. But definitely the volume is decreasing on the 4 to 12 hours. So we can speak about a potential fake out. We can speak about that one. So we can speak about a potential rising wedge with decreasing volume and it might fail. So what I would like to see, it's actually a big ass candle here, something like this. Okay, this would be very healthy for the price action if indeed it's a breakout. And what I want to mean by that, because if we look left, all right, if we look left, we see that we have a key horizontal level here, this S&R at $90,000. The thing is that this is a do or die kind of level. And if the price is really bullish, we should see a reclaim with strength of this level. Because if we just do this and we have just swing failures and the price reclaiming below previous high all the time, that's not very bullish. And it will end up, the buyers will be exhausted and it will most likely end up like this, deviation here. Actually, you can have a short trigger to hedge your spot and we are losing this trend line. You can add to your short here, a deviation of this one too. And then you can target, first time you can target this pivot low at 83,000, and then definitely we can look for this previous low, which would be at 78.6 fib. Yeah, there you go. I don't need the fib to see it's there, but yeah, you see. So it depends a lot on what we'll have in the next 48 hours. But there is a pretty high probability that if we are not breaking with high volume this area, we can speak about potentially about a range here. And then the price will not care too much about this trend line, but I'm still thinking that there is a pretty high probability if the volume it's getting, if the buyers are getting exhausted for this area to be just a potential AB equals CD in the end. I'm not really, I mean, I'm not targeting a new low necessarily, but we can have a swing failure of all this liquidity here below. Yeah. And in the end, a retest of 79,000. We'll see. We'll see. I'm blabbing away. You guys find it useful or useless? I'm not mad if you find it useless. All right. And yeah, we spoke about, I highlighted, I'll be getting back my low time frame scalps here and the explanations. And actually, I need these two areas because I already looked at the data. I already checked the aggregated data, the open interest and stuff like that. I made my plans this morning. I'll be just explaining them to you. Um, from a fee perspective, I really like this 84,000, and liquidity wise, I really like this area 84,000. We also have the POC of the whole range here. Hello, good morning, good morning. Hey, see Polly. Hello, everyone. Smooth Operator. Actually, it's a song that I was listening to this morning. That one with a smooth operator. Yeah. Ah, I love coffee, man. I I quit drinking. I have like 1 year since I'm not drinking. Not even a bit of alcohol. So my new addiction is sparkling water and coffee. So definitely I'll be looking for a long here, maybe swing failure of this pivot low, or I think actually we have so much liquidity built around here at these levels that the market will find some preliminary support here at 84,000, and it will not be necessarily to swing failure these two pivot lows here. We will see. We will see. That's what the blind man said, no? The blind man said we will see, no? And yeah, to speak about a bit about the previous plans which I had, you can see here at 83,500, we were long on Bitcoin. Here, yeah, 83,500, 83,500, and we took profits. So I had about 5 hour trade here. We took profits. We are out of that one. I don't know, VIP guys. We already opened the VIP for the ones who are already members, so I'm giving them priority right now. But this period, I focused a lot on high probability trades. I didn't posted a lot of ideas because, for example, last month I had 67 setups posted. So 67 setups. That's a lot for me. It's about an average of 2.3, 2.45 trades a day. While this month I had around one trade average a day. So we have around 14 to 16 trades. So, and actually the profits are about equal or even better than last month. And that will tell you something. It's not necessarily about the quantity, it's about the quality. But definitely, if I see a high probability environment where the market is respecting all my ideas, I will push the pedal like no tomorrow. But this month, I didn't have that opportunity. I saw that market is not respecting my levels how it should. So I said, all right, let's focus on the A plus, the so said A plus setups. All right. So I would be looking for a long here at 83,500. Let's put an alarm. And now let's get back to our 15 minutes boarding range. All right. We have a W here, but I have trust issues with this previous 4 hour low. I have trust issues with that one because we can actually, I mean, even from a market maker sell model, we are just at an incipient level here if we are speaking about 5-15 minutes. Because as of a market maker buy model, we already took the liquidity here. So this was already played out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We already took the liquidity, so it should be done. Now, I'll bet more on the short side if we are going to look for a previous Monday high, maybe a distribution wyckoff. We'll see. Let's go at our dear Ethereum. No? You guys are bored? Are you still having fun or not? XRP is looking a lot better. Yeah, we'll be taking a look at XRP too. 62 people and only 32 likes. Well, that's not nice, guys. Push that pedal with the likes. It's helping. Let's get 40, 50. So Ethereum is at a key horizontal level, and we see that we rejected quite aggressively here, and it's nothing wrong with that. But it's nothing wrong with that. But I would be looking for a long around here, this blue area. No, yellow. Blue. I have issues with the color, I think. I mean, I'm an artist, but I should know color way better than anyone. So you can see actually we have the GP here. We have a key horizontal level. I'll be looking to get some 4 hours time frame maybe, or actually put some alarms and get some really tight high risk to reward trades. We are long actually from 1770, 1770. Oh, it's very low. Well, maybe it's depending on your inputs because uh, on my Mac actually I can hear it really loud. So I think it's from you. Okay. If anyone else is confirming me that it's low, maybe uh, I'll uh, I'll change something and maybe it's from me. But you know that saying when one person is telling you that you're crazy, maybe you're not crazy. But when 5 people are telling you that you're crazy, well, maybe you should consider them. Maybe you should consider that one. All right. Ooh, juicy. So previous Monday low, it's actually here. Nice. Yeah, we have lots of liquidity here, and I have to agree with this one. Even though it's audio good. Thank you very much, man. Well, audio is good. I know there are some people, maybe they've been in war, they are veterans, and the no they in the higher volume. All right. This is not a concert. This is a trading session. Definitely, I would not short here. I saw a lot of people looking at this deviation here below the previous week high, but I'm not sure that I want to short around here because I think that short is already played out, and we tap this intermediate level of support. Yeah, I can see maybe something like this happening, but then maybe we can look for an ABC correction, and actually the market goes for the previous day high, which is Monday high, and actually we speak about a bull flag here, maybe equal CD. So I see absolutely no reasons to short it around here. Makes sense what I'm saying, guys? I know my mind it's very fast, it's functioning very fast, and some people might not be able to follow up. I have that problem a lot when I'm teaching, especially in Cap2 and in VIP. People they have the issue because they cannot follow. Fast and lazy. Exactly. PJ is here. PJ is here, so we can speak actually about the potential bull flag here. I'm not staying to feed the feed the highs and the lows. I'm just highlighting the potential ideas, and then we can take a trend-based Fibonacci, take the low, take the high, and take the 61.8 because there is a high probability price will bounce from this Wyckoff check of this key horizontal level and 61.8 golden pocket. And then we tap to 2100. So I'm not interested in shorting it here. I'm not even eager to short a Monday high on Ethereum. I would rather short a Monday high on Bitcoin. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy. Maybe I'm just crazy. Crazy and lazy. Uh, but definitely we can get a rejection here. So if we see that the price is deviating this previous day high, then we can target previous Monday Monday low. So we can speak about a short trigger here, then target the golden pocket, then look for a long here. Let's put some alarms and see how it develops. And now we can actually go and watch some altcoins, shitcoins, not altcoins, because their performance has been like shitcoins. All right, Bitcoin dominance. It's a 4-hour M. 4-hour M. Nice. Potential 3-bar fractal on daily here. I see some bearish engulfing. Not bad, not bad. And the old charts from others, this would be the OGN, original consolidation. Actually, I think this MMSM, it's done. This market maker sell model is done. Not necessarily, because actually we should have targeted the previous consolidation. But if we are looking from a perspective of a market maker buy model, yeah, this should be done. And now we should be speaking about the buy model here. So we should have this first area, and then we should have, and then we target the previous consolidation here, if this is the right one. Actually, I should treat this one individually. But this power of 3 here, actually, at the end of the move was really nice. Yeah, there's a pretty high probability for this one to be in. And then we can speak about 500 billion, but man, that's just a scratch of the potential of which altcoins should have and could have. So we are speaking about just a scratch over the head here. It's not a big deal of the pump that I'm foreseeing here on altcoins. They will go absolutely astronomical, just my 2 cents. Not to mention the, sorry, not to mention the, which one it was, SMA with yeah, SMA with SMA. So maybe this is just a coincidence, maybe, who knows, just a coincidence. Yeah, here you have the golden cross on the SMA, the fast one taking out the slow one. Who knows? Maybe. Maybe it's just a coincidence. Man, last time it happened, it was here. You can see actually the market. Look at this pin bar. Look at this violent upthrust candle, which pointed out the bottom here of others in November 2020. And this one in April, look at this one in April here. We had a cross. I zoomed in. We had an intermediate cross. Then we had this one, which actually was the bull run for altcoins. And actually, that pin bar, that candle, and the uptrust, the buying volume is there even on this one. So we have some potential fractal similarities there. But and you can see actually we should slowly gain momentum. That's why I'm posting from time to time slowly, then all of a sudden. So we should be slowly, then all of a sudden. And then we have the blow off phase. And here everyone will buy. And actually they buy, not only buy. Yeah. So I'm pretty bullish on the upcoming overview, 4 hour, 12 hours on others. Yeah, definitely intermediate speaking here, low time frame 4 hour. We have this low of this really high volatility candle reclaimed. So there is a very high probability, about 81 to 83% chance that we go here from what I tested. I tested this on 100 setups. When you have a high volatility week, usually the price is going back for the high of the week of that specific candle. All right, enough speaking about others. Let's get some shitcoins. Mavia. Well, Mavia, we are long. I'm not long actually. I bought. Paul told me not to say I'm long if I bought spot, and he's right. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's looking good. It's a shitcoin. It's pumping. Man, I have around 280, 290 shitcoins, and that's thanks to Paul, because I started doing banking doubles since like 2022, and I had like 5 years to accumulate shitcoins. Let's check your request, guys. Anna. So Paul mentioned about Anna. If you are a high time frame trader, I'm not, but I'm an investor, so yeah, you can maybe take that into consideration. You can speak about this W here, but two. Something. Actually, you see this area has reacted like a very strong resistance. So I'm expecting the same right now. That would be a 1.1. So yeah, we can take this one and look for a potential risk-free here, get risk-free. And then if we reclaim back inside this one, we'll be speaking about the highs of this area, 66 cents. So yeah. And then here, so level by level, I actually love playing it level by level. This would be, yeah. Hopefully you get the idea. If you don't get the idea, I'm sorry. It means that I'm stupid and I didn't explain it properly. Uh, let's go 4 hours. 4 hours, maybe. Maybe we can speak about this area. So I don't know, if we get one more quick dump, I would be looking to load my bags here around this area. And then yeah, target this intermediate range only if we reclaim. I mean, you want to be risk free here because yeah, probabilities showed us that we are rejecting here at 47 cents. We have a clear supply area, so sellers are outbidding the buyers. Until we see that high broken, you want to get risk free at that point. Exactly. What the hell is here? Ethereum. Uh, this is the dog coin. Bitcoin is doing nothing. Yeah, actually, it's respecting that little W, little cheeky W. Let's see Ethereum. And if any of you has problems with how do you say that illness when I'm switching the images really fast? Epilepsy. I'm sorry, it's not suitable for you. My live stream. I'm sorry. All right. Ethereum. I don't know. I really don't like the structure on low time frame. So I'm still looking forward on maybe we swing failure this high, and then we swing failure Asia low, and then we go higher. Same plan here. Any thoughts on auction crashed 60% in a day? Yeah, I saw that one. Well, it was a logical point to crash out because people took profits, so there's nothing wrong with that one. And when I hear about shitcoins, I'm dying. I absolutely hate shitcoins. So you can see actually if we are speaking about, I mean, I'm not hating anything. Hate, it's a really tough word. But I don't like them at all. I don't like trading them. So I avoid them uh, at my maximum. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be looking about around here for auction, getting back in this blue box, 14 to 12. I have ADHD. Ah, maybe I was like this from when I was young. I don't have any, I'm not ill. I'm healthy as I can be. This is my way of doing things. Let's check with. I don't believe in this kind of stuff. Maybe I'm retarded if I don't. I don't like wasting time. That's sure. So if we're speaking about WEEF, that yeah, we can have a pump of 88%. That wouldn't shock me. I mean, it came into my mind some influencer that will say, "I told you so." That will pump like that. Well, yeah, you told everyone. So I mean, it's obvious that altcoins will pump at least a double. They will bang at least a double from here. At least they are overkill. They are overly under the. I don't know. They are at Hades levels. They are in Helm's Deep. They will bounce. It's absolutely logical. They will bounce. Yeah. Because I see these influencers who are really proud of themselves by saying, "Yeah, it pumped like that." Yeah, well, everything will pump because everything gets destroyed. I mean, a lot of people, man, I remember when someone told me about Trump, he said that he wants to join VIP to trade with me. At 64, I think, I gave a short and I was short from here. And he told me that he has all his USDT in Trump. I asked him, and he's waiting to take profits at $100. Not funny, but I told him that it's the worst idea that you can have. To because everyone was looking for that round level. Yeah, and now I don't know if he's still in the trade, but oh my god, that was a good one. Actually, I will look to get back long in this one at around $10. That's a good level. Oh my god. Let's go on Ave. Ave. Let's delete everything here. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. 1 month. Great, not terrible. We actually reclaimed the previous month low, so we can speak about the previous month high. Monthly level, 1 week. Some potential engulfing there, but still a range. We have a daily W here. Actually, this week is really important because if price is reclaiming this week, it means it gets back in the range. Which range is this one? You can see this key horizontal area. So we are rejecting for the moment. We need to get back in the 192 and reclaim this 192 area. So maybe we do this, but as soon as we reclaim here, we speak about mid-range this week, 50% gain level retest at 230.30. Then we speak about the high. Any other request? I'm having lots of fun. Actually, let's look at my charts. Maybe I can find something. 1 hour, spaceman, spaceman. Ew, such an ugly rejection from the Monday high TIA. But I think it's not done yet because we still have another high here. So no, I will not short. Man, Dot is a beast. It's a sleeping beast. This one is back in the range. It's approaching range highs. Nothing too interesting. Seems like Ondo reclaimed the previous range low. Previous. I never know where the drawings are. So yeah, we reclaimed the previous range low. So there is a pretty high probability for if the price is staying here, be above, not below this key horizontal, then maybe we can speak about the highs. So we can have a nice pump into 1.2 here. Maybe. Asia low, and here would be the Monday low. And we have nice setups if we, I think CRV, I think PJ took a look at CRV. I mean CRV, we analyzed it 100 million times in the past month. There is nothing too fancy, too. It's basic level. I've been filled here two times. I still have some levels to get filled. The price got back inside the range, and we can speak about this area, and then 0.6. I don't know. It's nothing too fancy about it. I don't know why people are overreacting, and I know a lot of people actually they have all the portfolio in CRV. Yeah, Ondo easily. I mean 90 cents. We can speak about an expansive movement here. I mean, actually, this one was played already, and we had this one. Give me the 272. Yeah, actually, we had 272, and now we can speak about this one. And that would bring us about 2.83. So yeah, that's an easy Q3x. Yeah. LDO. Let's check what my LDO is doing because I have a long on LDO. Yeah. I mentioned about the swing failure of this previous lows, and I said that it's one of the easiest doubles that you can do right now. It's LDO. With a TP here, I'm already long. With a TP here and one here. I don't know. And then I mentioned the same stuff about Beam X. I have a huge bag of this one. I'm maxed out because the level was too good. I mean, we just swing failure the listing price. It's an 8x here. Easy. And people are saying that you cannot make money in this environment. Well, yeah, trading hasn't been easy the last 20 days. And if I'm going on my crypto day trades, I mean, daily I'm trying to find some setups. We took a 3 drive, I don't know, on 21st and then 21st, and then FET, Bitcoin. I took some losses too, but mainly has been winning trades because I didn't took too many trades, so that's why. All right. Monday, Saturday. If this one is going to reject Monday high, we can speak about a discount here, this area, 0.007. So we might get a retracement. ETFI. Oh man, I'm so sleepy. Feels good. I would wait for a sweep of listing price, but anyway, you take it. Original consolidation. That get bounced. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get in the last phase of it. So if we see one more dump around 0.5 and yeah, but the point is that if you want to catch it here, you have a chance of going minus 40%. But the upward reward is pretty nice. I don't know anything about this point, but it doesn't look like the sell model is done. DCA, you will DCA into the VCs selling. So they will sell on you. I don't know. Having some there is not a bad idea. E-gold. E-gold. Well, pretty easy stuff. What do you see here? I have 3 lines here. We'll buy E-gold at $6 if this one is not moving his ass. Yeah. If you are not reclaiming with force 22 like this and stay above it, it will go for 80 bucks. If e-gold is not reclaiming this area with force and rejecting, we go for $6. The chart is there. Chart doesn't lie. People are lying. Charts are not lying. So I can see $10 and $6 tapped on e-gold. If we are not reclaiming this 20 bucks with force, like strong candle, strong ass candle, something like this, yeah? Hopefully you get what I'm saying when I'm mentioning with force. You want displacement. Got a member of my trading community, you know why I care so much about the displacement. So it's looking meh. Man, I remember about this move when I said that it will dump from here straight to 20. Everyone, the fanboys started telling me that I'm stupid, which is not wrong because I'm stupid. If other will move. Yeah, it should move if other will moves, but not necessarily. But yeah, it should move. It should. I love this. It should move because it has a lot of hope in it, you know. But okay, has a lot of hope in it. It should move. No, tell me that it will move, please. I'm joking. Uh, but I mean, crypto at this point, it's in a really really desperate point. People are like 80% down, 90% down. Imagine having $100,000 and now you're at $15,000. mm, Actually you're waiting to get out that break even, which is the reality. That's why I'm never aping my portfolio. Never. Never. I'm not aping my portfolio. I just go with 1%. I slowly accumulate. Like, let me show you BMX, for example. Where the heck it is? BMX. Yeah, here, my swing trades. I have a plan on VIP for my spot. And actually, you see, I loaded up 2% here, BMX. I loaded up, say, 2%. Actually, you see, I have a 4% exposure. I never go like a retard 10% of my portfolio or 20% of my portfolio in a shitcoin. If you think it's good, all right, show me that 100 times. Show me how it performed. The fact that you went with 20% on a on a shitcoin. Show me how it performed in the past. Hopefully you get the idea. And even here, when I said, okay, guys, 1772, buy the shit out of Ethereum here on my swing. I said 1772, buy the shit of Ethereum. And now we are in a good position. Yeah. See, target 4,800. Easy. And I bought about 5%. It's max that I can buy. Shitcoins I can buy 2-3%, but I bought Ethereum. I bought way more than that. Uh, no, it depends on which portfolio because I have many. I have a lot of portfolios. I have about 7 portfolios. Because if you're asking about all of them, like retirement plan and savings and stuff like that, yeah, I'll be using Bitcoin for the retirement plan and my kids and stuff like that. I'll be using Ethereum and Bitcoin mainly, but that's a whole nother story. Okay. I see we loaded up LDO too. Yeah, I mentioned about LDO, say. So say is looking good. I was looking at these 3 drives here and looks like the market maker sell model, it's done. I see a lot of room to the upside. I mean, 0.17, it can easily go back to 1.1. So that's a 10x right there. That's 10x right there. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing here at the previous 4-hour high. We have 38 likes. Well, the people have starting to leave. Not too many people interested in this period in crypto. I don't know. People have lost hope and have really lost hope in crypto. And I mean, I get them. But the issue with those kind of people is that they're not following their plans. That's the big issue. Because if you're following the plans, you will know how to sail these markets. Yeah, you will know how to get your ship and generate those consistent profits day in day out. That's another story. Uh, why? Who? What did you speak about there, Andre? Stark. Let's check Stark. I know Stark is destroyed too. It's obliterated. Well, Stark, I would like first to see this double bottom confirmed here, and I want to see a reclaim. You can see I already have some drops here, and we can actually speak about this week here too. So it's close, but it's not there yet. No, I don't want to make them rich. I want them to have a good life, not worry about this kind of things. So I want to see a reclaim around here, and then I'll be targeting level by level. From 0.2, actually, we can go into 0.32. So, but first I want to see some selling pressure stopping because this one is just pointing lower. So we can actually go like this until sub-zero. Joking. But this is the case with these VC coins, and I know Stark has a lot of VCs and has been kind of a rug pull coin. It's still going lower, so I'm not eager to put my money on this one. Uh, Avail. I think you mean avail, not avail. Let's check. Ooh, my God, where is this one going? Oh, it's going to Valhalla. We had a first stop here at 1.6 to 1.8. Even if we speak about normal fib here. Made 88.6. Yeah, not even 78.6 gave any bounce. Looks like this looks like shit. Man, they should stop selling. I need to see some sideways. This is not sideways. This is a veil. I never heard about that coin. I thought it's a veil. But yeah, this one it can use some sideways. So I want to see something like this, and then potentially makes power of three, so it consolidates, creates liquidity, takes the lows, and then it can reverse. But this one doesn't look very good. A veil. I never heard about it. Oh, look at it on KuCoin. Ooh, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Ava AI. Well, I never heard about it, so my mistake. I'm sorry. I'm not excluding out of this scenario the fact that we might have a range here and we might have a swing failure of all these pivot lows. That would be a very good entry. That would be a high probability, high risk to reward entry. But until then, you can actually speak about this in the range, internal range, and take this one and this one, and let's delete it. DGB will be looking on that one too. I'm really interested on the price accepting be above this W weekly W neckline, daily W. It was weekly. Yeah, I think it's weekly. Yeah, no, no, it's not. It's a daily W. For me, it's not confirmed yet because this week has just uh, closed below the neckline, and I don't like that. It means that the buyers are not there how you would like to see them. But on low time frame, 1 hour, 30 minutes, I can see actually a bullish structure. So if you're really fast, and what PJ and I would do, I think I will go with this W and then trail it with a THG, not the EMA. Give me a THG. THG. Get out this one. I'm not interested in shorting this one. There we go. So 5 minutes. There we go. You can actually go with the 5 minutes or 50 minutes. Yeah. Maybe you can wait for another entry around here and go with this one. I don't know what time frame, but you didn't mention any time frame. Let's go on DGB. Take out the TAG, go weekly, go monthly. Not great, not terrible. Go weekly. I'm really interested in this key horizontal level. Man, this is a good level. All right. Okay. Range, nothing new. So we are back inside this pivot low, which created a new high. So you can see actually the price took it as support. We have lots of demand formed here. And what that means? It means that there's a pretty high probability for the price to retest this area and then this area. So 54, yeah, you can make a sell half on a double with this coin. I can see a sell half on a double happening. Something like this. Okay, Bitcoin has rejected the previous 4-hour high. I'm not shorting yet. I want to see a more violent week, something like this, and then dumping. DGB. So yeah, back to this one. We have a nice daily candle here, and I think the volume is there because we have a displacement created. 20% up. Not bad. Not bad. You maybe should wait for a little pullback, something like this here. And then you can buy and get yourself half on a double here at the range highs. Let's go with Dion. I actually bought some Dion. You can see my buy levels on Dion. We have a weekly W. We have I bought 2 times so far. So I bought this blue line, this random level blue line. I bought another random level here. Yeah. So I have 2 random buy levels here. I have another random level here. So I bought some of it. I think I bought 1.3% so far. I want to have 2% of Dion. So yeah, it's looking good. We have a weekly W. It's not looking bad at all. Weekly W? Yeah, weekly W. So yeah, I invested in this one. I have, and I like it. Also, prop chain. Prop, it's propos, if I'm not wrong. Props. Prop. This one, prop chain. Yeah, this one, I think, prop C. I did bought some prop C. Yeah, I think it's a RWA, if I'm not wrong. Real world assets, stuff like that. I bought around here at the reclaim of this previous low. Well, we rejected this area, and you can see this one. So technically speaking, we are inside this range. So price can do something like this, retest back this previous area, and then go higher again. But then as soon as it gets back inside, we can speak about $2.2. So yeah, the risk to reward is there. You can make a 2-3x on this one. You can get risk free very fast. Not looking not looking bad. It's looking good actually. Come on guys. Why you're not smashing that like button? Let's get the 50 likes. I need 12 more likes. Let's get them. If not, I'll make more coffee and then I think I'll die if I drink one more. Let me know any other coins. Let's check Sui actually. I haven't taken a look at Sui for a long period of time. Yeah, it's not looking good. I'm still looking at this area on Sui at 1.49. Sui had its 5 minutes. I mean, it did the 10x here. So it had its 5 minutes. Let me check some coins. Now I'm giving from the house how it's saying. So Bochian mentioned some really nice coins 3 days ago. And I'm not checking Pepe. I absolutely don't like Bitcoins. Let's check Hype. Uh, Bochian mentioned it. Well, my buy levels have been filled. I've been filled at 14. You can see actually for me, what is below 14 is a good buying opportunity. And we have a daily W, so actually we can get something like this. Then get back. Let's check banana. Banana. 1 week, 1 day. Not great, not terrible. I don't like the structure here at all. BNB, no, I don't like BNB. Solana, no. Ethereum, no. Ray. Let's check Ray. Radium. Is this Radium? Well, it's in a good area for buying. I think I already bought some. Not looking bad. It's not looking bad. What's this one? SMA? 100? Yeah, not bad. Not great, not terrible. Jupiter. And I got a fill here actually on Jupiter at 47. I cannot do anything. Okay. Cow. Ew. Oh, actually, we swept the listing price. Nice. Well, I wasn't looking at this one. I didn't give any attention. So now we can slowly grind until we do something like this. And then we propel to Valhalla. Ondo I think we look at Ondo already. Yeah, C-Pool. I have a big bag of C-Pool. You can see my buy levels on C-Pool. These ones are posted on VIP on my investment plan. So I've been filled at 12. I've been filled at 0.092. And this one, IXS. Ew, what's this? Ugly. Yeah, yeah, I don't like the chart. All right, Wild, the scam coin of the big gurus. I remember when Johnny Sixpack was shilling it here. Johnny Sixpack is actually from Brian. He's with Johnny Sixpack. It's a coincidence. Don't let's not be mean. But I know when someone was shilling it here. So if you would have bought it there, you have a 10x, guys, from $9.4 to 0.94. You have a 10x. Congrats. No, it was Joe Sixpack actually. It was. Oh my God, yeah. This is a shit coin. It's actually uh, a shit coin manipulated by some big influencers, which they hold the majority of the shit coin, of the supply and stuff like that. No, I'm not buying it, not yet. Maybe, I don't know, 0.25, 0.5 nibbling in, but only if we reclaim this area and we confirm this nice double bottom, maybe. So pump higher and then retest. We'll see. Joe Sixpack. The average Joe Sixpack. Let's see what Rocco has posted. Dum-dum-dum. Has posted some nice scalps on 5 minutes. Nice. And S&P short. Not bad. ZK. Man, I remember when I was farming this crap. Well, I have two fields. I think I have 1% on this one. It's underwater. Initially, I bought some here. I got risk free. So I have some free coins. Bought around here, got out. And now I reloaded with the free money that I had. PAL AI. PAL AI. I think it's this one. Yeah, PAL AI. Well, it swept the listing price from Mexi, but I still don't see. And actually, we are above this pivot low daily. Yeah, not great, not terrible. Not great, not terrible. Too much liquidity here below, so I think we'll have something like this. And that's a good area if you're planning to buy some. You can easily get some sell half on a double. So not bad, not bad at all. Aptos. Aptos, I saw that actually it's done. I have a feel here on Aptos at 4.7. What I'm looking is actually get my free money. So a $10 tap, $10, and then I'm out getting my money back. So yeah, it's back inside the range. We speak about the range here. So around here at $10, $11, I will get my still half on a double. Gala, Grift and Anon. That's it. I will take a break because my mouth is not yet, but the location it's not bad at all. Actually, we can speak about this one. Yeah, so it's back inside the range. It's back inside the range. We can speak about more consolidation, but you have a potential 2-3x here easily. Yeah, easily. And then let's check Grift. I have more information maybe on Mexi. Yeah, maybe. I have some Grift. I think more information we have on Solana. I bought some Grift. I have someone. I know what Say is doing because I have a huge bag of Say. I loaded like crazy here when we swing failure this pivot low. I have a huge bag of this one. Those trades are the ones that you don't want to miss. The ones like I posted on LDO, say, BMX. Those are the trades with a very high probability and very, very high risk to reward. So you can nibble in pretty aggressively because you will get risk free very fast. And then let's check Anon. I think Anon is a shitcoin, no? Anon. Super Anon. Hey Anon. And I don't have any Anon. And I don't even know which one of them. Yeah, we have some. But no, I don't like it. I don't see the risk to reward here because I don't have too much information to the upside. So I can speak only about this isolated range, which is, yeah, you can get a double. You can get your money. If we get something like this, yeah, you can nibble in, see if this area is holding, and then you can target this one. And then Phil. Well, I'm long Phil. I said about Phil, easy money on Phil, where it's weekly. I'm weekly, monthly. Yeah, this is my plan on Phil. Filecoin. I want a 10x. This is my plan. I'm already long on Phil. I long the swing failure of this monthly previous lows. DYDX guys, what are you doing? Stop it. Stop it. Weekly. Yeah, not great, not terrible. Not great, not terrible. Looks like the other ones had the W's. Now I have enough coffee and water here. And ZX. ZZX. Ooh, and who's keeping this coin in this range? Unizen. Man, this one has been in a range for 2-3 years. Holy guacamole! Actually, I'll buy some. Look at the risk to reward. Who said about Unizen? Dennis. Well done, man. Actually, we have a high probability potential 10x here. Woohoo! Yeah, I need to go shopping. So yeah, thank you very much, Dennis. It's a good one, and actually, if we target mid range here, we speak about the potential 3x. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Easy. Yeah, I'm not even speaking about the highs there. Yeah, let it pump. What can I do to him? Let it pump. I don't touch it. Thank you very much, Dennis, for this one. Yeah, easy. So you can easily have your sell half on a double. You can easily, and actually on daily, yeah, you have the structure. You can see it's looking like wants to bottom out. But actually, what it matters for me is that the price is holding above the previous swing low, which created a new high. And actually, we swing failure that previous low. And I need to go shopping. Thank you very much, Dennis. I mean, I can't even. Yeah, actually, I can. Dennis has won the how do you say the prize for the best request because he made me buy it. All right, you guys. Let's not let's look at Ethereum once more. Let's not make this one longer than it should be. A little wrap up. So I'm looking for a potential deviation here, or even a bit higher. Let's see where the price might reject. I was looking for a potential scalp long on 3-5 minutes here. My main long should be here at Monday low. It remains my main idea in this one. So 85,200 and 84,000. It depends a lot on the price action and how it develops in the next hours. Ethereum has lost some steam, but it doesn't mean that it cannot resume the pump like we saw here. Really nice. Yeah, 6% pump. So I can see an AB equals CD happening to the upside, 2,200. But I would be interested in longing a potential, shorting a potential swing failure of Monday high because I want to get a long. So usually the people that will get long there uh, will get short here. They will aim to reload back the longs. So it depends a lot on the price action, but I will wait for my setups. And that would be it. I think it was very good trading session with pretty nice results. The plans are done. I'm not. Oh, Tao. Ooh, look at it. Oh, it seems like this triangle found out what he wants to do. So if he's back inside the range, I think most likely we'll see 424 on Tao. Uh, I never heard of Aqua Funded. I don't even know what's that. And what if it has funded word and it's a funding account? No, thank you. I'm not a fan of funding accounts at all. I'm not a big fan at all. I'm a big fan of getting, I don't know, $1,000. And keep it English, please, Andre. I'm a big fan of, I don't know, you have $1,000. You start trading with those money. You risk $10 a trade, and you will build a nice capital. You have a good example on Crypto Trades Arena. There is a good example that you can do it. I did it. More people did it. Start with I don't know, $1,000, $2,000 day in day out, and grow your portfolio. Don't go looking for their prop firms and crap like that. I'm against that. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Yeah, you can create systems. You can make money. I never said that you cannot make money. You can make money. Yes. You need a very good system. So you need to create a system with clear rules and have excellent uh, capacity of respecting the plans. You need to have that one with your own money too. It's not a big difference, but the main difference is that the drawdown, it's actually your portfolio. So if you have a $50,000 account, it's just an illusion. You don't have a 50,000 account. You have the drawdown, it's your account. So if you have $5,000 drawdown, that's your account. So you're paying for what, $500, $300 for a $5,000 drawdown. So it's just an illusion if you are trading it accordingly. But then it comes the other part where you can go all in and just blast through the challenges and then fail 3 4 and then you're succeeding one. Yeah, it's a long story. I there's a lot of plan. I went with all the plans. I actually took 8 challenges. I have the uh, snapshots and everything. I mean, I did tested them from my community and I had my payouts from them, from the ones that gave me the payout, because I had nasty surprises. Uh, I had nasty surprises being not getting my payouts. I was banned for I don't know, being long and short in the same time. Something I hedged a position. I was scalp long on 5 minutes, and then I hedged short on a daily time frame. And then they said, "Oh, you cannot do that." Okay, okay, you can take your prop firm and you can put it in the other side of the moon. So no, thank you. I don't need that stress. I don't need that uh, deal with that kind of things. And right now, man, I'm the happiest person on earth. I mean, I have a good trading portfolio. I can sustain all my costs, and I'm really happy with everything. It took time. It took me about 2 years and a half, but here I am. If I manage to do it, anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. The only difference between you and me is the fact that I put a lot time and effort. I put a shit ton amount of effort, on getting here. So that's it. Whew. All right, we are almost 2 hours into this one, man. 1 hour and a half. Let's wrap it up here, guys. It was an excellent trading session. Well, how did I start? Join Discord, and maybe I'll mention in one trading session. But I started with $100. That's where I started. 100 damn dollars. That's where I started. I was risking $0.5 and to $1 a trade, and everything is documented. Everything, the P&Ls are documented. The progress, absolutely everything. But it was a pain in the ass. So get your 100, $1,000. Slowly create your plans. Have the skin in the game. Journal everything. Start creating your system, and slowly but surely you will become a trader. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much, guys, for hopping and tuning in. The plans are made. Actually, I have quite a lot of ideas here, depending a lot on how the market is reacting to them. And let's hear you in 4 hours from now. Actually, I think I will get the live for everyone. So I will do it on the stage. Actually, I will post a link when I'll get live, but it's on Discord. So if you want to get live trading with me again at the New York trading session, just hop on in the Discord, get verified. Don't leave Discord because you will get banned. We don't need quantity, we need quality. So we don't need 100 million people in Discord, we need quality people. Actually, if I'm doing a count right now, I don't know, we are 1,400 people. We should have been at least 7,000 people. But the thing is that I mean, PJ is banning the crap out of the people who are not putting the time and effort because don't need that kind of people. The people that are joining are actually insanely high quality, that are remaining are insanely high quality, and they are day trading day in, day out. And that's what we want. $100 in PJ nerves, man. You don't want, I mean, you want a teacher like PJ, but I don't know if you can, I don't know if you can uh, take it. That's the issue. That's the thing. Because trading is not easy, and people, they have the illusion that it's easy, and because that's how media has created the image, but it's insanely difficult. And if you don't have the nerves for it, the nerves to support and take the fact that you need to be humble, uh, then market will humble you. So catch up in 4 hours from now, guys. Thank you very much for hopping and tuning in. Let's see what we can trade. Right now, the price is at the middle of nowhere, so I'm not touching it. Let's see what we get. Thank you very much for tuning in, and see you on Discord. Bye bye.